discuss something about warning buzzer and light trigger. Now, Yami will tell us the components of warning buzzer. The components of the warning buzzer are buzzer, ultrasonic sound, Arduino UNO, battery holder, jumper wires, and LED. Ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is the key component of our project. Ultrasonic sensor imitates ultrasonic sound waves. The emitted sound waves, when hit to an object, it bounces back to the sensor. Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO does work like our brain. It gives command to the components. LED. LED is a visual light. It glows up when it detects an object in a specific range. Buzzer. Buzzer alerts sound. Buzzer produces sound when it detects an object in a specific range. Now, Avnish will tell us the uses of the applications.
The application of warning buzzer and light project are security system, home automation, medical device, traffic management, and ultrasonic radar. Now, Aditi will tell the working of our project.
Working of ultrasonic buzzer occur when we pass hand or any object around the sensor, then the buzzer will get alert and the red light will flash.